Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Range Rover 4.4 litre P530 V8 Autobiography, finished in Santorini black metallic exterior paint, with 23-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include digital LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter now beneath the powered gesture tailgate, we can see the load space with the rear folding seats, the load space cover and the tailgate vent suite. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside, and we have the ebony perforated semi-aniline leather seats. And on the back of the front seats, we can see the 11-inch rear entertainment screens. As we enter into the front of the cabin now, we can see the badge for the Meridian sound system. And as we turn in now, we can see the heated and cooled front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the adaptive cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, chrome gear shift paddles, interactive driver display with satellite navigation, the head-up display, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the control for the heated and cooled front seats, as well as the rear seats, as well as the massage controls, with a variety of options. We have the 3D surround camera system, and on the centre console we can see the wireless charging pad, the gear selector and twin cup holders. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.